Welcome to our tutorial on how to see after-hours trading on TradingView. In this video, we will guide you through the steps needed to access after-hours trading data so you can make informed decisions outside of regular trading hours. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a TradingView account. If you have not signed up yet, you can create an account for free by visiting the TradingView website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the charting interface. You can find this in the chart section located in the main menu. Now that you are on the chart page, it is important to enable after-hours trading. Click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the chart to access the settings menu. From there, go to the Symbol tab and look for the option that says Show Extended Hours. Make sure this option is checked. Once you have enabled it, you will see price movements and trading data during after-hours sessions. Finally, take some time to familiarize yourself with the change in trading volume and price movements during these hours. After-hours trading can be quite different from regular hours, so make sure to analyze the data carefully. Now, you are ready to effectively monitor after-hours activity on TradingView. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.